Hey everyone, welcome back to Megaverse Builds. Today we are back at Spotify Camp Nou with massive progress across the stadium, and the compression ring at North Goal is just one segment away from a major crane handover. Let's get straight into it. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Camp Nou updates. We're starting with the headline update at North Goal. The compression ring has pushed deep into this section, with new phalange boxes going in almost daily, and the latest one already fully bolted into place. The tower crane here now has enough reach for just one more segment, a single pillar, radial beam, and box, before its job in this corner is finished. Once that piece lands, the Tribuna tower crane will take over the rest of the ring's assembly, marking a major shift in construction activity toward that side of the stadium. Nearby, work also continues inside the structure, hidden from outside view, but clearly active based on the constant movement of equipment and materials. Now, to the second biggest update. South Goal has resumed louver installation around the hydraulic piston area, fitting in the panels that were deliberately skipped earlier to allow access for that work. These final pieces are now closing the last gap in this stretch, bringing the section much closer to full coverage. At the South Goal corner, crews are now in the inspection phase for previously installed louvers, tightening connections and checking alignment on every panel before signing off and moving to the next section. This quality control step ensures everything meets structural standards before crews shift focus elsewhere. Around the mobility cores in this same area, multiple elevated platforms remain active, with crews applying anti-corrosion coating to exposed steel beams alongside other maintenance and finishing work. Over at the lateral, the second cantilever level is gearing up for its next phase, with large stacks of concrete blocks and rebar stubs now positioned across the area, signaling new walls are coming soon. Elevated platforms continue inspecting structural steel connections and bolts along the main beams. The first cantilever level is quieter by comparison, though a tower crane was seen lifting new material into the structure, and sandwich panel installation continues along the roof edge, with a few gaps still remaining before that section wraps up. Protective safety nets beneath the cantilevers have also been steadily repositioning each day, following crews as they installed utility piping above ground level in this stretch. The first cantilever didn't need this same precaution, since its piping was installed at street level instead. Over at Tribuna, finishing work is in full swing. Crews are applying anti-corrosion coating and paint to steel beams across multiple platforms, while others seal structural joints nearby. Materials for the next phase of the compression ring, including pillars and falsework, have already been delivered and staged here, fully preparing this zone to take over once North Goal's crane finishes its final segment. Louver bracket supports removed earlier from the Tribuna corner are now being reinstalled in their original spots. A clear sign louver work will resume here soon. Across the rest of Tribuna, things remain fairly stable, with the diamond wall in this area progressing at a slower pace for now, though that's expected to pick up quickly once the compression ring arrives. So, to wrap up, North Goal's compression ring nearing its crane handover to Tribuna was today's biggest story, with South Goal's returning louver installation around the piston area close behind. Every cantilever level kept moving too, with utility piping, sandwich panels, and structural inspections all progressing in parallel. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Camp Nou construction coverage. There is still so much to come at this stadium. Thank you for watching, and as always, Visca el Barça!